Today I show you how to enable the Google Discover feature on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. If you prefer to swipe right and see here a bunch of articles, menus, weather information, the Google app basically, including the articles that you might want to see or not depending on your preference, but your phone is not doing it, I'll show you now how to enable it. It's pretty easy. So on my phone here, I have it completely disabled. When I swipe here, when I swipe right, from the home menu, nothing happens. To enable the Google Discover on Samsung Galaxy Android phones, all you have to do is long press on the home screen here on the launcher, and then you have all the settings here. Go to settings. In the settings, look for something called Google Discover or Add Media Page to Home Screen. Add Media Page to Home Screen and Google Discover. This will enable the search there. And when I enable this function here, I just did it now. Then I swipe and it's there. So I have here all the articles that I want. This, you can have more settings with this. You can tap on your profile picture in the corner, go to settings, and these are the settings for the Google app. That's the Google app there, and you want to go to other settings and make sure Discover is turned on there. So I turn it off now just to show you how it looks like when it's off. And if you see it like this, if you get this screen, when you swipe right on the home screen, instead of getting the articles, you will get this notification that tells you that Google Discover is off, but you can turn it on from here directly. You don't have to go into settings, tap there, the Google Discover, it's back on. So that's all I want to show you. If you needed this, that's it, you have it now. You can always turn it off if you wanted to. Go to the settings again and then turn it off from the menu there, but you can leave it on if you want. Thanks for watching.